Ever left your Discord hanging on your work rig and sweating bullets that someone might snoop around? Fear not, in this video, I'll show you how to kick that sneaky session off other devices from your PC. So let's dive in without wasting any time. First, open up Discord on your computer. Then click on the gear icon from the lower left corner of the screen to bring up the settings. Next, click on devices from the left side menu. Now, here you'll see a list of all the devices you've used to log into Discord. Now, to remove a device, all you gotta do is click the little X next to their name. Type in your password, hit confirm, and boom, your Discord's logged out from that device. If you want to sign out from everywhere you're logged in, just click the log out all known devices button. Then type in your password and hit confirm. And bam! Your account will be signed out from all the devices you've ever logged into. And that's a wrap, folks. If the video proved to be useful, smash that like button. And if you want more Discord related tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next one.